Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a home and gardening update. I'm gonna show you my garden makeover. I bought the house 2 years ago and I'm gonna show you how it looks before I make some changes, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks right now during the springtime. So like you're gonna notice, the flowers are not in the full bloom yet, but the difference is huge. So first of all, I'm gonna take you back 2 years time back, and I'm gonna show you how it looks before makeovers. So like you saw, it was plenty of time and plenty of hours of changing and hard work it took, but now it looks pretty much satisfied for me. Like I know that this year I'm gonna be doing more and more and more of different plantings, different stuffs, and my plants are not finished yet with the final look. But right now I'm gonna take you for a small journey to my garden, so let's go. I didn't mention that before, but since beginning of this year we've got the new puppy. He's called Salty, and it's a chocolate Labrador. And why I'm talking about my dog? Because he made huge mess in this garden, so it doesn't look pretty. It's a little bit destroyed at the moment, but hopefully we're gonna improve his skills outside, and it's gonna be nicer during the summertime. And during the summertime I'm gonna show you as well how it looks in a full bloom. Okay, so I'm not talking more about the other stuffs, and let's go and watch. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how my garden looks right now. Like you saw, I started from the grass, changing the grass. The grass doesn't look great yet. I put some grass feed at the moment because Salty is making the pee over here and over there. So unfortunately, and he's there, and unfortunately he's do some kind of destroys on that grass. But I see the new one 1 week ago. I'm giving plenty of water, and I give the feed, the grass feed. So we'll see how that's gonna help. So hopefully soon it will look nicer. So this corner here, in that big bench, I will have some herbs. In the smaller bench I will have tomatoes, which are already seeds. Here I have mint. This one I'm not sure, my granny sent it to me. And in the big white one, it's the magnolia, first tree of magnolia. I have 3 of them in my garden. Beautiful jasmine, which spread on the walls very fast and looks beautiful, and it's evergreen and it looks amazing all year long, and it has beautiful flowers during the spring and summertime. And then beautiful, it gives beautiful smell. If you're going to be asking for those stuffs on the walls. I bought them, the panel walls, I bought them in IKEA because it's my favorite shop in Ireland. Hello. Oh, okay, lovely. This is what he's doing actually. He's jumping over the fence because I put some provisoric fence from the metal stuffs. You can't really see it like properly. Just stop him running through my plants. So let's go there. This one is the rose, which I bought this year, like 2 weeks ago, and I just put it into the ground. Peony, it's starting to grow. Here is the clematis, and it was eaten and bitten by the dog, so it was nothing. And it's supposed to climb over there. I put it last year. I bought it. This is the new one. This is the new one. Will have beautiful, beautiful flowers, and it calls like this, Camellia japonica, I think. So hopefully it will spread nice. I have two climbing, like not climbing, but falling down strawberries. This is my crazy rose. This is the small tree which I bought in Dan's store as well. Ivy, which is gonna cover some kind of part of the wall. And here another one, like last year you saw probably on the pictures on the movie. It was beautiful big lavender, but he bit it. He lay down over there and just destroyed it as well. Next to it I put the climbing rose over there, but it's just since like Sunday, so I will have to put the trestle there as well, the wall panel, and try to handle it later. Fuchsia tree, which gives beautiful, beautiful flowers. The leaves are not crazy healthy, but I put it as well last week, so we'll see. It has to adapt to the new ground, I think. Here I have one more lavender, but smaller one, and my crazy rose. This one I'm very proud of. The crazy rose, it has beautiful pink blooming during the summertime, and we starting to clip it on the other wall, and it's lovely and amazing. And over there I have the magnolia as well, and 5 fruit trees is gooseberry, currant, and the last one is raspberry. So this is how it looks right now, and I want to put this year some kind of climbing flowers on that wall as well this year. So this is in general look how it is right now in 2020. It's April at the moment. This is how it looks, like this side and that side. And I want to buy some kind of bigger stuffs here to cover the oil tank. So right now I'm gonna show you patio side. So on the patio side I have the one magnolia as well. And ladies and gentlemen, town, this is the patio. 2 swing chairs. I have the furnitures made from the pallets, and I just ordered the cushions. They are handmade. The pallets, they are just colored for the same color as a patio. Lovely lightening here. You can see I have 3 big bulbs, and it looks amazing during the evenings. I have this fella here, which gives nice sound. This is the plastic roof made as well, and the plan for next month actually it's to change the floor for the porcelain porcelain paving panels. It's gonna be in a cherry wood color. So this is again how it looks like. I'm so proud of it. If you're gonna be asking me about the company who was making the patio, I'm gonna link down below, and I have the short promotion movie with them, with collaboration, so I'm gonna link you everything. It's my compact houses in Ireland. So this is it, and at some stage we're gonna paint the house as well, because you saw the white lines there. It's just after they make the isolating touch-ups, and we're gonna move that that thing under the wall, because it just takes it just put it on the middle of my garden and it doesn't make sense for me. And in this place I'm planning to put the grill, the barbecue, but it's gonna be like the instant one. It's gonna be like you will see soon, hopefully. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my update of my garden, April 2020. If you like the movie, don't forget to put the thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the button bell to get the notifications about my new productions. Don't forget to stay safe, stay smile, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Mieczyki, które cebulę